Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. Okay, over here the graph shows n as the number of terms, which is the x-axis, and sum of first n terms as the y-axis. Okay, so the graph is starting from n equal to 1. We need to figure out the signs of the first term and the common difference. So if you look at it over here, the first term is there. So this is the first term, so n is 1 here. So that, and it is on the positive side. Okay, sum of first one term. Okay, if I take n equal to 1, sum of first one term. Sum of first one term is the first term only. Okay, that is a, that is positive from the graph. Now if you look at it, if I keep on going increasing n, if that means number of terms are being added, sum is increasing. But after a certain point of time, the sum starts to decrease. Okay, so for example, if I have an arithmetic progression which is starting from 7, after which I have 5, then 3, then 1, and then minus 1, minus 3, and so on. If this is an AP arithmetic progression, here the first term, which is a, is positive. Now if I add the first two terms, that will be 12. Okay, that is more than the sum of first one term, which is 7. Then if I add the first three terms, that is 15. Okay, sum is still increasing. Then if I add the first four terms, that is 16, sum is still increasing. But then if I add the next term after that, which means if I add minus 1 to it, I am at 15. Now if you look at it from 16, the sum has started to decrease to 15. So as soon as a negative number is introduced, the sum has started to decrease. In fact, if you add minus 3 to it as well, it will be 12. So it is further going down. Okay. So now if you look at it, what is happening is that sum increased till one point. After that, it has started to decrease. Okay. And it will keep on decreasing till it reaches 0 here. And after that, there will only be negative numbers. So that will be added further. So the sum will be negative only. So if you look at it, this AP in which the sum increases further, but after a certain point of time, it starts to decrease, okay, and goes on till the negative side. For this case, the common difference D has to be negative. Okay, if you look at this arithmetic progression here, A was 7, common difference D is minus 2, that is 5 minus 7, minus 2, or I can do 3 minus 5, minus 2, 1 minus 3, minus 2. So common difference is negative here for this AP. Okay, so what we found out was if an arithmetic progression is following this kind of a graph for sum of first n terms, the first term A is positive and common difference D is negative. Okay, so the option saying that the first term is positive and common difference is negative, common difference D is negative, is the correct answer option. Okay, so that is how we solve this question.